Alright, so I am going to show you something about combining like terms. So, in an example, let's say Tom has 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. We can also write that like this, 3 cats. Now let's say Tommy has 2 cats. Here are his 2 cats, and we can write that like that. 2 cats. They get all their cats together. That's 3 cats plus 2 cats, and all together that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats. So we can write it like that. 3 cats plus 2 cats together is 5 cats. We can combine the 3 and the 2 because we are talking about cats. Cats and cats. If Tommy had 2 dogs, like that, well, we couldn't combine them. We would still just have 3 cats and 2 dogs. All right. The same thing is true if instead of having 3 cats and 2 cats, we can say 2x plus 3x. X here is a variable. It stands for a number that we do not know. So 2x plus 3x. 2x and 3x are called like terms. They're like terms because they are both factors of x. We have the same variable. And we can combine them in the same way. 2x, you know, is 2 times x. 3x means 3 times x. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. We can combine them because it's x's and x's.